Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on a common problem of low internet speed in our mobile phone. This happens due to weak mobile network or use of internet by some unwanted apps in background and updates. So to increase mobile internet speed, we need to go to settings, press on this gear icon. Here press on data usage. In data usage, you need to restrict background data for your less important apps. Press on the app. Here select this option and restrict background data for this app. Press on OK. Now this app will only use data when you manually open this app. Like this, you need to restrict data for all your less important apps. Also, we need to stop auto update of apps on mobile data. For that, open Play Store. In Play Store, go to settings. In settings, press on auto update apps. Here select auto update apps to Wi-Fi only and press on done. Now your apps will only update when you are connected to Wi-Fi. So friends, by doing these two settings, you will stop apps to use your mobile data automatically. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.